Alright, I am removing and installing new brake pads. Brembo's front. Basically, I took the pressure between the rotor on this side and a rotor on this side, and I pressed the pistons in on both sides, and then made it easier for these pins to slide out, like so. And then the bottom pin slides out, like so. The bracket comes out. This comes out. And this one comes out. And then repeat the procedure on the install. Alright, the back sides are greased. And my pins, brake cleaner, and took a wire brush to it so they'll slide in a little bit or easier, and I'll grease these. Alright, pads are in. Now I'll put the bracket in, which is this. I'll put that in, and then put the slides of pins in. And there you have it. Pads and pins back in, brand new hardware. I'm running Duralast Gold for right now until the next opportunity that I get to get a better that's what I'm running right now, due to coronavirus, and everybody's doing shut in, so I went with Duralast Golds, and then I'll actually upgrade to a more street version of pads. Alright, this is the passenger side. Got it all cleaned up. Brake cleaner, old hardware, bracket brace, what you want to call it, new brace bracket hardware, what you want to call it, and the pins have been wired clean, and getting ready to grease them up. Be right back. This time I didn't overdo it, LOL. So basically I'm gonna spread that out on the back side of the middle plate of the pads, and then I'll do those. Alright, they're all greased up. Let it set for a few minutes so it can tack up a little bit, and then I'll slide them into place right back where they go, at home at last. Alright, the hardware is in. All I gotta do is tap the pins in. See if I can do it with one hand. Right here. Tap that pin in. It's in. And it's in on that side. Alright, there you have it. Fronts are installed.